देखिए दिल्ली में मानसून की आवाज़ आ चुकी है। मानसून अपनी सदा दे चुका है। यहाँ देखिए किस तरह से बादल आसमान में आ गए हैं। काली घटा सफ़ेद घटा, काली घटा सफ़ेद घटा, किस तरह से आसमान में बादल आ रहे हैं। देखिए पूरब से आ रहे हैं, ये पूरब से आ रहे हैं, पूरब से मशरिक़ की तरफ से बादल आ रहे हैं। देखिए आसमान पे देखिए, हालांकि अभी कोई बारिश नहीं है, लेकिन सिर्फ बादल ही बादल है। हो सकता है शाम तक बारिश भी हो जाए, लेकिन अभी तो बादल इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं। आसमान में काली घटा है। देखिए बिल्कुल आसमान में काली घटा है, एकदम काली घटा है। हम जमुना किनारे खड़े हुए हैं। देखिए जमुना किनारा है, ये दूर दूर तक जमुना की दीवार दिखाई दे रही है। वो दूर तक, ये दूर तक जमुना की दीवार है। उधर देखिए जमुना की दीवार जा रही है, और जमुना की बैकग्राउंड में बादल दिखाई दे रहा है। क्लाउड्स आर showing in the background of Yamuna river. We can watch from here the new clouds which are coming as pre-monsoon, though the newspapers are forecasting that these are monsoon clouds, but previously it was said that these are not monsoon but pre-monsoon clouds. Monsoon will come after 1st July. However, whatever be it, but we are watching that clouds have come, the black clouds, the white clouds, and the in between clouds. We are watching in the background of these buildings, and here we are watching Noida is also showing us. There are some buildings of Noida which we can watch from here. There are buildings of Noida which we can watch here. From here, this is Naveen Hospital. In between Noida and Okhla, this is Aurangzeb Road. We can watch the river Yamuna, and the river Yamuna is very upper level is here. So we can find out that Noida's buildings are here on this side as well as on this side, and there are many buildings which we cannot watch from here. So these are clouds, and clouds are coming slowly from the eastern side of the Yamuna, from the West Bengal side to Bihar, and then East UP to West UP, and then entering into the Delhi. These are nice clouds, black clouds, or we can say slatish, the color of slat. Yes. Here SIO building is here, the Mughal cuisine is here, and there are some trucks are hiding or standing there. Many cars are here. Those persons who do not have their own garage, they put their cars here, and then they can watch here, or when they find proper, they can come and they can take away their cars from here, wherever they want to go. So we think that this RMG group, SIO group, Alam group, here free, here the river, and here the clothes are distributed freely. यहाँ पर फ्री में कपड़े तकसीम किए जाते हैं। तो हम ये देख रहे हैं, यहाँ से हमने we have taken photographs of the clouds, the black clouds, the white clouds, and many other clouds are here. We are near Bhaskar compound. Bhaskar compound is very near to us. So it is a nice 5 minutes or 6 minutes video which we have taken from here, and now this video we can upload showing the clouds, how the clouds are moving very very slowly. They are moving from eastward to the westward. The sun is rising high in the east. We are standing in the shadow of the big trees. So some lockdown has been opened and the people are moving fast this week. Many buses are coming, rickshaws are pullers, rickshaws are piling, buses are piling, and three-wheelers are piling. So in the background we are finding that there are clouds and clouds from here to there, from here to the Kalindi Kunj. Here our brother Nusrat Bhai used to live here. He is expired. Hence many houses are also demolished for the new constructions. Buses are piling. Cars are here. Many cars are here. We are moving inside between these cars. But our attention is on the clouds. How these clouds are coming, moving, very slowly moving. Their movement is very slow. We cannot show it here. So it is we are watching the buildings of so it is the end, and wow, we finish our video. Thank you very much. Here river view is also here. Thank you.